Yes, yeah, we did have a client very recently, in fact, they were in the sort of tech world, educational tech world, and yes, they were particularly pleased with the learnings they had from going through the Cyber Essentials process, and they complimented Richard on how he'd sort of gently guided them, sort of shown them in the right direction, and they were very pleased that they got their certification, and they're looking, in fact, at coming back for Cyber Essentials Plus, which is the level up, which involves a vulnerability scan of your systems. So Cyber Essentials Plus basically is the backup. It's the proof that what is actually going on inside your machines is what you said was going on inside your machines. So yeah, that was a really lovely win for us, and they gave us a 5-star review as well. So yeah, very pleased with that one. So we hope, everybody who's gone away with their Cyber Essentials certification, we've done well over 100, that they have a new sort of understanding of the way their business works, really. I think for some people it's maybe seen as a chore because they're not naturally sort of comfortable with tech, and they have to go and look a lot of things up that they don't understand. But it's nice now, particularly since the relationship with our clients has changed.